Hey guys, it's me, Chipmunk Patrol 1 here, and I just downloaded Minecraft 1.6.2 manual download, added horses, and I'm showing you guys a guide to fireworks in Minecraft 1.6.2, and just gonna make a new world. And the 1.6.2, I just downloaded it now, so I'm not really sure what else it added. Menu's different, and you can still customize your super flat. And I'm just gonna do the Tunneler's Dream or Bottomless Pit. Yep, I'm just gonna do a Tunneler's Dream, so it is almost like a normal world with grass, dirt, stone, and bedrock. Just no ores and whatever. And that's it. So right with me, I have a firework chart. I will post that in the description, and I also got a new skin, Robot Creeper. Yeah. So first thing you're gonna need is so there is 6 different types of fireworks you can do. A trail firework, a twinkle firework, a star-shaped firework, a large ball firework, a creeper-shaped firework, which is just its face, and a burst firework. Adding nothing will just do nothing. It won't explode or anything. So, to make a trail, you need diamond. Twinkle, you need glowstone. Star-shaped, gold nugget. Large ball, fire charge. Creeper-shaped, head, any. Burst, a feather. So first, you're going to want to make a firework ball, and you can add any type of wool to your crafting to add color to your fireworks. So I'm going to make a trail, a green, or maybe a pink trail firework. So I'm going to want to go to find my color, pink, and I'm going to need gunpowder, and we are using trail, which is a diamond. I'm going to change that. So now I am going to get a crafting table, and we are going to place your gunpowder, diamond, pink, which will make a firework star, a small ball, which is your firework star. It'll be pink, and it'll be a trail firework. Just take that into your inventory. And then to make the rocket that will launch it. Now you can launch a firework in 3 different ways: short to the ground, medium, or high. As an example, I'm going to do medium, so this time I will need 2 pieces of gunpowder, which will determine how high it will go: 1 gunpowder, 2 gunpowder, or 3 gunpowder. Then, no matter what, you will need a piece of paper, and then your firework star, and you will go into your crafting table, placing your 2 gunpowder on the bottom, all 3 if you want, a piece of paper in the middle. You'll see it makes a firework rocket, but you want to add in this, so now your firework is flight rotation 2, small ball, pink trail. So now if you take this, place it on the ground, it'll launch up and explode as a trail, which is like so. I'll try to follow it up. Yep, just like that. Oops. Duh. Yep. Sort of, crud. Right. So I'm just gonna kind of follow it up. Pink explosion. Now, as another example, you can add multiple effects. So you could do a red firework that will go flight rotation 2. It will have a large ball and a trail, or a twinkle. Let's do large ball and twinkle. So we are going to go and get, we're going to need 3 gunpowder. We are doing a red, and we're going to need our piece of paper. That's just a plain fireworks star, don't use that. And we're going to need, for large ball, we need to grab a fire charge, which is, I forget where it is. Right here. Fire charge. And then we want twinkle. So we're going to need to grab some glowstone dust. And this music will annoy me after a while. So now we are going to take a piece of gunpowder, rose red, so right now it's a twinkle, and you can add in fire charge. So it's a large ball now. It'll explode large. It'll be red and twinkle. So it'll be a bigger explosion now. So now we can take our charge, fireworks star I mean, put in a piece of paper, and why not this time I'm gonna do flight rotation 3. So now I'm gonna want to place all 3 across the bottom, fireworks star, piece of paper. Now the rocket will look the same. This is the one we already made, the red one, or pink. Now this is the new one. Oopsie, I launched 2. Now it has a twinkle effect, so as you saw, twinkled off. I'm going to try to follow this one. It was a, now if I were to launch 2 of them, as you noticed, the second one will be larger. That was because we used the fire charge to make it a bigger explosion. So you can be a little creative. I think I'm going to do just one more firework. I'm going to do a creeper shaped and the effect of twinkle. So I'm going to just do flight rotation 1. Just going to grab 2 pieces of gunpowder, 1 piece of paper. Now for twinkle, I need glowstone dust, and for creeper shaped, I need a head any. So you can grab any type of head once I find them. So I can grab a creeper head, zombie wither, or skeleton. And I'm just gonna grab a zombie head. now I'm going to go into my crafting table. Just need your gunpowder, glowstone. Wait, forgot. We got to get our color. We are going to do how about purple. I don't know why I've been doing girly colors. So now I'm going to use my piece of gunpowder, my color, my glowstone, and my head. Creeper shaped, purple, and twinkle. Now I'm going to make a rocket. I can put that there, or there, or there. Either way, it will still work. So now I have 3 rockets. This is our first one, the pink. This was our second one, went a little bit higher, the twinkle, and this is the third one that we just made. Now, if it was kind of hard to see, but it was a creeper shape, or a creeper's head. It's hard to see them. Creeper. So I'm just gonna, for fun, set it to night. Time set 2000. That's our creeper. We don't make that much light. Those are our pinks. This one doesn't sound cool. I'm just gonna launch them all. Let's see my third one. Million creepers. Alright. And as you notice, those are very low. These are somewhere medium, a little bit higher. And these are the highest. So that's pretty much it right now for fireworks. I'll give you some more info on some of the other updates that come out. And check back for more videos.